what they truly think of women. Just a few days ago, a sitting member of Congress thought it wise to make an analogy that reduced a woman to the subject of his heated desires. On the record, without hesitation, without shame. May pagyayabang pa. While his words were offensive, it was even more appalling that these came so naturally to him. That objectifying a woman was top of mind pag naghahanap siya ng halimbawa. Hindi na nag-isip, basta yan ang unang pumasok sa kanyang isip. And nakakabahan ang iyak. Kasi ibig sabihin niyan, without thinking, matik, ang babae ay object of desire ng mga kalalakihan. Dito sa Quezon City, we insist that this should change. Hindi yan madali, pero pinagsisikapan natin. We established landmark policies, including the Bawal Bastos Ordinance, years ahead of the National Safe Spaces Act. 2016 natin nabasa ang ordinansa natin, 2019 nabasa ang national law ng bawal ang bastos. We passed the country's first gender fair ordinance, while the SOGS Equality Bill continues to languish in Congress. We built the QC Protection Center for Women, Children, and LGBTQ+ community so that a survivor of abuse does not have to retell her trauma across 5 different offices to have access to help. Because women and girls are more vulnerable to sexual abuse and exploitation, we have also strengthened our efforts against these crimes, particularly on online sexual abuse and exploitation of children, or OSAE. Ipinaglalaban rin natin ang economic empowerment ng ating kababaihan. Since 2020, we have invested 1.3 billion pesos in our livelihood and entrepreneurship programs.